carved from a fascinating specimen of Brazilian Smoky Quartz. This extraordinary crystal wand was crafted according to the precise specifications of Dr. Marcel Vogel, aligning perfectly with the natural hexagonal core of the crystal. Cut at the exact 52 and 60-degree angles along the C-axis, this wand is designed to support a smooth and focused flow of energy. As light moves through the crystal, deep waves of smoky color reveal beautiful clarity within, giving this piece both a powerful presence and a captivating visual depth. Smoky quartz is known for its grounding and protective qualities, helping to shield against negative energy while bringing balance and stability to your energetic field. Resonating with the root and sacral chakras, it encourages a sense of calm, strength, and connection to the earth. Holding this wand during meditation or energy work can help center your mind, release heavy energy, and restore a feeling of stability and focus. Substantial in size and carefully polished to perfection, this remarkable smoky quartz wand is more than a crystal tool. It is a powerful companion for grounding, protection, and deep energetic alignment.